Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today it's related to controlling. We want to discuss one issue basically about the cost center accounting. So the scenario is that we want to allocate cost from one cost center to the another cost center. Okay. So from this cost center, we are going to allocate the cost to this cost center. For this, the transaction code is KB11N. The standard transaction code is KB11N to allocate the cost. So when we are performing this activity, basically we are getting one error. So this is the error. Right, as you can see, this is the error. So it says default business transaction type is not maintained for category K for category RKU1. Okay. So to fix this error, what we have to do, we need to run a program. So basically this is the program. You go to an AC38 and then type this program FINS fins underscore. You can read this name, basically it's a long name, and then execute this transaction. When you execute this, first time you need to select the test run. Okay, and you execute in the test run. So you will find something here, some steps. If system has executed 4 steps or 5 steps or anything, it will show it here. Then go back and remove the test run. Since I have already executed this, so it is not showing the exact message, but this is the process basically. Yeah, so this it will show. So in my case, it was showing here 4 number of closing steps 4. Basically, this problem occurs, and for you to execute this program, this is only required whenever you have any upgrade or version upgrade or anything, right? That kind of activity is already performed in your system. Like we have done upgrade from the older version to the 2023 S/4HANA. So this is the one of the activity basically you need to do once you have done the upgrade. Okay, so once we have done this, now let's see whether the issue is resolved or not. So in the same transaction code, when I was clicking on post, I was getting that error. Now let's see. So if I click on post, I can see the document is posted successfully. Alright, so this is how you fix this kind of issue if you come across, because there is nothing to do configuration or nothing. It is simply you just need to run that program and in the backend system will fix it. That's all in this video. I hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.